Need to know how to clean your gutters? We'll give you the basic steps to follow by using a ladder or without a ladder from the ground. Maintaining clean gutters is crucial for the well-being of your home. Clogged gutters can lead to water damage, foundation issues, and even pest infestations. Firstly, let's talk about the traditional method of cleaning gutters using a ladder. However, for those who prefer to keep their feet on the ground, we'll explore alternative methods. How to clean gutters with a ladder. For those comfortable with climbing a ladder, here's how to clean your gutters. Safety first. Ensure your ladder is stable and on a flat surface. Use a ladder standoff to prevent damage to your gutters. Remove large debris. Start by clearing out large debris like leaves and branches using a scoop or your hands. Place the debris in a bucket for easy disposal. Flush with water. Use a garden hose to flush out smaller debris and ensure proper water flow. Check for any leaks or blockages in the downspouts. Inspect and repair. While up there, inspect the gutter for any signs of damage or rust. Make necessary repairs to ensure longevity. Now, let's explore how to clean gutters from the ground without a ladder, an excellent option for those who prefer to stay at ground level. Invest in gutter cleaning tools. There are various tools designed to clean gutters from the ground, such as telescopic gutter cleaners or pressure washer attachments. Use a leaf blower. If your gutters are not too clogged, a powerful leaf blower can be effective in removing leaves and debris without the need for a ladder. Gutter cleaning robots. For a high-tech solution, consider using a gutter cleaning robot. These devices are designed to move along the gutter, removing debris as they go. Regular maintenance. To make ground-level cleaning more effective, schedule regular maintenance to prevent excessive buildup. Regardless of your preferred method, keeping your gutters clean is essential for preventing costly damage to your home. Whether you choose the traditional ladder approach or opt for innovative ground-level solutions, regular maintenance is the key. If you found these gutter cleaning tips useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home maintenance guides, and share this video with anyone who might appreciate these tips. Drop any questions or suggest future topics in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cleaning.